In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up cross-device tracking in Google Analytics 4 by enabling Google Signals for your property. To get started, open Google Analytics and look in the bottom left corner for Admin. Click Admin to open the settings area for your account and property. Make sure you have the correct GA4 property selected, since this setting is applied at the property level. Then in the property column, find and select data collection. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Inside data collection, choose Google Signals data collection. Google Signals helps analytics recognize users who interact with your site across different devices when eligible Google data is available, giving you a more complete picture of the customer journey. Click through the setup prompts and follow the on-screen steps to activate Google Signals for the property. Once it's enabled, GA4 can begin using this data to support cross-device reporting where available. And that's it. You've successfully enabled cross-device tracking support in Google Analytics 4.